Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about everything practically I think you need to know. So that's regarding the conflict and what's happening in Israel and Palestine. That's regarding the technicals, of course, because the technical situation since yesterday has changed. But it's not completely different, all right? And I'll explain what that means and just in general what to expect. We'll quickly go over all the news events this week, which will be important. Not yet. I believe most of the big news is coming on Thursday and Friday. We actually have some on Wednesday, but I doubt that will make the market move a lot. It could, but it depends a bit. Like Thursday is definitely going to make the market move, but we'll talk about all of that. And before we dive into that, and click away if you don't want to hear about my premium group, just skip ahead 20 seconds. But I have my own premium group, and my website right now is offline, which I forgot. But I actually have my own premium group in which I share my own trades as signals. You gain access to a chat room full of traders and my own trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment. So check that out. But for now, onto Bitcoin. So what we're seeing over the last 24 hours is yesterday, Bitcoin got a lot of bearish momentum. Of course, I'm not sure if it was because of the whole conflict in Israel and Gaza and Palestine. All right. A lot of people are saying that. I doubt it. And even if it was true, I mean, technically this could have just been explained, all right? Bitcoin was and still is technically in an uptrend. Right now, it has changed a bit because it has dropped down below the 50 and the 28 EMA. So there's a potential of some sort of a reversal so that Bitcoin becomes bearish. But at this point of time, that's not confirmed. And what's even true is that Bitcoin broke back above 27,600. Which is a bullish confirmation. So whether it was just a normal market move or whether it was because of the whole conflict between Palestine and Israel, doesn't matter. Because if it was about the latter, then now it seems like the conflict is de-escalating. To me, at least, it seems like it. It doesn't seem like it's going to be a year-long war, which is then bullish because it's less unrest. So then Bitcoin goes up. And if it was just a technical move, then it just retraced to major support levels, got some bullish confirmation, and now it's continuing that bullish confirmation. So it doesn't really matter. The situation is still the same. Bitcoin is showing some signs of a reversal, so that it is turning bearish, but that is not confirmed yet. Now, most of you know that my general opinion on Bitcoin is that it should go down a little bit more, because the dollar strength index, sure, it's been bearish for the last week or so. But overall, it's still bullish. And this also seems like it's retracing and will regain some bullish momentum soon. So when this regains bullish momentum, usually that means bearish momentum for Bitcoin. So that's what we'll all see this week. We'll talk a little bit more about the technicals, but I do want you to know, before I forget, that tomorrow, in terms of the news, we have the FOMC minutes. That's going to be important. I'll tell you about that tomorrow. We have on Thursday job numbers and the inflation rate / CPI. And then on Friday, there's nothing. But so that's going to be important. I'll keep you updated on that. But just quickly, there it is. So for now, technically for Bitcoin, like I said, it is showing some signs of reversal. I would say really the last level to test that assumption and to test whether Bitcoin will become bearish or not is this level right here between 27,800 and 27,700. It's a minor key level, but I do think it's important. So what we'll see also because of the 28 EMA being there. So what we'll see today is Bitcoin will test that level and it will either break above 27,700. So then we'll take the lower bound. In which case, if it does break above that, Bitcoin is still bullish. And it's even most likely that it will continue up to 28,300. Or it will reject off of that level, so find resistance there, and then drop down below 27,600 again, and drop down towards 27,300, and probably even lower towards the 27,100 levels, where there's again a lot of support with this trend line and the 200 EMA. So altogether, like purely technically, Bitcoin still looks very bullish. So I have to say that that's also my assumption. I still expect Bitcoin to be bullish. But keep an eye on that dollar strength index, because if the dollar strength index is going to get some bullish breakouts again, then it will quickly turn into more bearish momentum for Bitcoin. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin for now. That's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.